Hey guys, so we all know that Apple 15 and 16 shoots an amazing ProRes Apple log, and you can color grade it. You can use this footage for very, very high quality shots, like one of the ones that I did in the previous videos. I'm gonna link actually one right here. And one of the saddest part about shooting that Apple log is the consumption of space. It is absolutely eats out as much space on your iPhone you have. And if you're trying to shoot it without external SSD, you won't be able to go past 4K 60 frames per second in that Apple log. Because of that, I tried out different SSDs. The really sad part is that not all the SSDs are compatible with the latest iPhones which can shoot the Apple log. And I don't remember the guy's name. It's some kind of like, I think his name is Michael or so, but he showed SSD that is super tiny. It has like this cool hub, and what's unique about it, it just goes flush on the back of your phone. That's what just absolutely appealed to me, and I ordered it right away, and it was like a couple of months ago or so. I waited, it was postponing, it was pushing away. So what Lexar did is overpromised, and then when everybody started placing orders, it would not deliver on time. It would push back a weeks out, and I just gave up. I was like, screw this, I'm not doing this, and I just canceled that order. And just recently I found out that now they're all stuck up and they have it. I am not sponsored by them. So, and I got it with my own money. My review is going to be honest, and I wanted to see if I need to just strip down my iPhone or can I use with these cases, how it works, if it's fast enough, if it's good enough for just running and gunning. And looked really tiny, portable. You have the actual SSD piece, you have the hub, and it has supposedly 4 USB Type-C connectors, which allows you to not only power up the phone and maybe some other devices that are connected to this thing, but also I can attach some external microphone systems, like for example DJI Mic 2 or DJI Mic 1, and I'm going to test it out. I have the DJI Mic 1, DJI Mic 2, I'm right now connected. So yeah, it says USB 3.2 Gen 2, system requirements, obviously, the Mac OS, the latest Androids. This package contains, so we have portable solid-state drive, a hub, storage bag, USB Type-C adapter 2, USB Type-C adapter 1, and 20 stickers. Not sure what the stickers for. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, I already can see this is a really nice case actually. It's interesting. So this is the actual unit. So this is what it looks like. Come on, focus. Okay, the camera doesn't want to focus. That's fine. Oh, okay. That's actually pretty cool. These little converters, you can actually put them right here and just have this carrying case. I absolutely made a huge mistake is I pre-ordered this thing before. It was like long time ago, and I bought like a bunch of these little converters. I didn't know if they're going to be putting these or not, but I just pre-ordered a bunch of these on Amazon. There's tons of them. If these ones don't work, I will link in the description some other ones that I'm pretty sure will work. Okay, so we have this little device. You have like this rubber case. I'm assuming this what prevents from this fall up to 1 meter. Yeah, it is pretty tiny. And here how it is. Just plug it in. We see, yeah, it ain't gonna work with this simply because of my case. It's not even going in. Yeah, let's go ahead and I'll take this thing off. Just so you guys know, this is a iPhone 16 Pro Max spec'd out with 1 terabyte on board. And I found that I'm running out of space, slowly but steady running out of space. And this one comes in 1 terabyte, but also it comes in 2 terabytes. I got the 2 terabytes with the hub. So let's just, out of curiosity, I'm going to plug it in just like that. I was very worried about this connector to be a little bit flimsy. You definitely want to make sure not to put too much pressure on this whole thing, because you have 1 USB-C port on this. Thank God they changed to USB Type-C on all the iPhones. It has really no play. So yeah, this is what it looks like without a hub. Really neat, very minimal. Let's try it. ProRes log. Right here, it says USB Type-C. There is literally no play, just a tiny bit, because there's a little bit of room, especially for just like one of those simple cases. Oh yeah, with this, it's flush. It's perfect. So you can see no play whatsoever. So it's it definitely is made to have some cases that are like thinner, but not one of those hardcore thicker cases like Quad Lock or Otterbox. I think that's another one. So there's the hub, and wow, it's Velcro. Interesting. Little Velcro holders. Another, I think it's like a male to male connector, and that's it. Okay, so let's open this one up. On top, there's that power delivery 30 watts and 10 gigabits transfer speeds, which is super cool. And yeah, you can see the little icon of the power and tons of other connectors, that's very, very smart. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I guess it's little baby arms I'm not sure what this is gonna be for. And then this piece, my understanding, is going to be used with this male to male, and you can see that it's specially made for this because there's like a little grooves, because if I'll put it this way, ain't no way it's going in. I can tell you right now, you're actually going to be filming and you have like a little grip, but make sure you have like maybe a case on it, because I'm going to show you why. When you have those like just minimalistic cases and you have this piece right here just in your pocket or so, you take this out, you plug this in, click, and not only it's flush, but it also will be able to have like a little grip, especially if you're using that camera button control, which I'm a little bit disappointed because it is really finicky. At first I was like, why is everybody hating on this button? But now after playing around with it, I honestly don't see me using it as often. And plus, when I'm actually pressing on the button, I can tell that it shakes the camera versus if I'm just simply like a little tap to start or stop recording or take a photo. With this one, you actually have to like press in and it creates like a little shake when you actually do that. ProRes log, I turn it on, 4K, it says 60, and here you go, 120. It has max time of 73 minutes to film in 4K 120 ProRes log. That is really cool. ProRes log, 4K, 24 frames per second. Max time is 368 minutes. That's a lot of footage to film. And then 30 frames per second, you have 4K ProRes log, you have 229 minutes max. And of course 60, you have 147 minutes to film max with this SSD. Not bad. That is really, really cool. I'm honestly impressed. I have this DJI mic, first one mic. In my understanding, so you can actually plug it in here and not mess it up. Plug it in here. So now you have yourself a filming device. Obviously it's a little bit awkward, but if you're holding like so, should be fine. As you can see, the mic is connected. Let's actually take out one of the other mics. Check, check, mic check, mic check. The levels are here. Check, 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 mic check. Let's go to Blackmagic. Check, check, mic check, mic check. Yeah, this is connecting really well. So you can have two microphones set up with one cell phone. Use the lens, the wide angle lens, 13 millimeters. Slap it on. Put it, actually, instead of doing this, I'll plug it in this way. You have mics available. You can shoot podcast, interview style, and it's all connected via this hub. And if you have a power bank, which is, I'm gonna get this right now. I know this is a bulky power bank, but if you have a power bank and you connect, let's just see, you have 60, and you connect that power bank to this piece, yeah, it's charging. Obviously you can use some of those like really cool, like Brandon Lee has collab with Small Rig. It has this amazing cage, Brandon Lee cage for cell phones, and he's a fantastic videographer because we didn't check this one out. And of course it comes with this little thing, and that is to attach it to different cages. So this is what it's for. Not sure what this protector, or I don't even know what the heck it is. I don't know if you guys know why they have this little rubber piece. Should I like heat it up and it would stick? I don't know. Somebody knows what the heck it is or okay to use, let me know in the comments below. And then yeah, you connect this portion, SSD on this side. This goes onto your cell phone, and it also will provide a power with all the information. So it pretty much works as this little connector, this little male to male piece. Same thing, provides power, provides all the information, all the data that you need for this. I'm gonna go ahead and test these setups, see what works, what's not, and I will probably make another video on some setups and give my feedback how easy it is or how convenient it is to use this Lexar hub with that SSD. It's pretty tiny SSD. I never seen SSDs that small, and that's what she said. I will test it out and I will let you know, guys, if it's good or not. I will link them down in the description below, those affiliate links. So guys, I just found out, don't throw these away, keep these. What it is a stickers that you put on the SSD and you can write on it. Thank you so much for sticking around all the way to the end. I'll see you next video. See ya.